Mastering Image Manipulation in Python, Copying and Pasting Images. Welcome to our Python tutorial on image manipulation. Today, we'll learn how to copy and paste images onto other images using Python. Let's dive in. Image manipulation is a powerful skill in Python. It allows you to create, modify, and combine images in interesting ways. We'll be using the popular Python library, PIL, also known as Pillow, for our examples. First, make sure you have Pillow installed. You can do this by running pip install pillow in your terminal. Let's start by loading two images. We'll copy a section from one image and paste it onto the other. Here's how you load an image using Pillow. Now, let's copy a section of the first image. We use the crop method for this. You need to specify the coordinates of the top left and bottom right corners of the section you want to copy. Next, we paste this section onto our second image. Choose where you want to paste it and use the paste method. Finally, let's save our new image. You can specify the format and quality if needed. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted an image section using Python. The possibilities are endless, so experiment and see what you can create. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!